Hi, I am Dewan Hassan, an expired domain researcher. I will show you why buying expired domains is better than new domains for your online business. Expired domains are domains that have previously been registered but are no longer in use. They have many benefits that new domains don't have, such as branding. Expired domains may have a memorable or recognizable name that can help you stand out from the crowd and attract more customers. SEO. Expired domains may have a history of traffic, backlinks, and authority that can boost your ranking on Google and other search engines. You can skip the Google sandbox period and rank for competitive keywords faster than new domains. Redirecting. You can use expired domains to redirect visitors to your main site, increasing your traffic, conversions, and domain authority. You can also use them to create a private blog network, PBN, that links back to your main site, enhancing your SEO further. Selling backlinks. Expired domains with high traffic and authority can be valuable for selling backlinks to other websites that want to improve their SEO. You can charge a premium for this service and earn passive income. As you can see, buying expired domains can give you a huge advantage over your competitors who are starting from scratch with new domains. But how do you find and buy expired domains? That's where I come in. I am a professional domain researcher who can help you find and buy the best expired domains for your niche and budget. I have access to a large database of expired domains that are vetted for quality, relevance, and value. I can also help you with the due diligence, legal issues, and transfer process of buying expired domains. If you are interested in buying expired domains, please contact me today and let me know your requirements. I will get back to you with a list of expired domains that match your criteria and are ready to be purchased. Don't miss this opportunity to grow your online business with expired domains. Contact me now and let's get started. Thank you for watching this video and I hope to hear from you soon.